I'm Ellen Rogers.
And I'm John Hollis.
The AIA Show opened today in Denver, and it featured one impressive glass display. Lyle Hill talks with Sealy about what's been called the world's largest piece of laminated glass.
I am standing in front of a piece of glass that has come to the show from Sealy. And this piece of glass, and I'm going to start walking toward cameraman Chris Bunn as I talk about it, is 46 feet in width, 10.5 feet in height. It's made up of two pieces of half-inch clear, low iron, heat-strengthened float glass with an inner layer, a DuPont inner layer, laminated inner layer. So we're nominal 1 inch overall in thickness, and it is a massive piece of glass. I'm here with Attila Aryan of Sealy, and Attila, this is a massive piece of glass.
It is, and we are very proud of it, I have to say.
You should be. The logistics of just getting it here
has been amazing. It's absolutely, we shipped it from Germany on sea freight and then trucked it into this place, had to hoist it in, and we built the steel structure that is supporting the glass, and it functions as our stand. That's why we are elevated a little bit.
Sure.
I'm hoping that we can take this on a road show, because it's not only a piece of product, not a piece of glass. There is a mission behind this, you know.
Absolutely.
The full transparency, giving the architect what they want, and creating value for the industry.
What's the weight of this thing?
3.5 metric tons,
Yeah.
just the glass.
I'm now standing with Jonathan Cohen from DuPont. And Jonathan, of course, DuPont provided the inner layer, which made this piece of glass possible. As we've been told, without being able to combine the strength of two pieces of glass structurally, this probably doesn't work. What's the thickness of the inner layer that was used in this?
Yeah, we have different thickness.
Okay.
Here it's a 90 mil thickness. You can have thinner thickness available. It's DuPont Century Glass, which we launched a couple of years ago.
Yes.
Really famous for the hurricane protection market. And as you can see, you can use it also for structural glazing.
Yes.
To have very big piece of glass, less metal, more glass, more lighting. So that's what another big application developing well. A number of exhibitors are also introducing new products, and today we spent some time learning about those.
We've got some really exciting things here today for the commercial market. We've got a couple of new products. We've got the new product we call Neutral 7865. And what's interesting about that is that it's designed specifically for heating dominated or cooler climates. So it lets in lots and lots of light transmission, 78%, but it also lets the heat in, and then the coating keeps the heat in. So if you're in a northern climate, you need a double glaze or a triple glaze, and you want to take advantage of that free energy, you use 7865. It's really transparent. You can see it here. Then behind me we have a sneak preview of a new triple silver product that will be officially launching in September, but we're giving a sneak introduction today, which is our SNX 5223. 52% light transmission, 0.23 solar heat gain, and a reflected color that's a bluish in appearance. So we're really excited about that.
And one of our newest products is the 24000 series. It's our high performing thermal product. It has the dual thermal brake in it, so that's one of the newest ones. And then of course our Force Front, our hurricane impact, and our blast resistant products. So those are the key ones that we're featuring here today.
So this year we're celebrating what we're calling our dynamic decade. Sage has been around for 24 years, but this is celebrating 10 years of Sage doing commercial installations in the industry. So what we're showing here today is an example of our electrochromic glass. Of course, the glass goes from a 60% visible light transmission in the clear state with a 0.47 solar heat gain coefficient, all the way down to a 2% visible light transmission and 0.09 solar heat gain coefficient. So we're able to have the glass act like a valve to be able to regulate and control the amount of light and heat that we allow into the space. And the glass characteristics change with the weather so that we can maximize the energy efficiency of the space. We can manage glare, we can make the space more comfortable, all without having to cover the glass back up with blinds and shades and those types of devices.
The AIA Show is also the perfect place to find out about architectural trends, and for many exhibitors, energy efficiency continues to be a major focus.
I think it's very much in demand. They want the energy performance to meet the new energy codes and design the most efficient buildings, but you can't forget about the appearance either, because there's always that balance. You've got to have the energy performance, but you've got to have a product that meets the appearance criteria that the architects have.
You know, as soon as a high-performing product's introduced, the R&D departments and the companies are looking at what's the next go-round of increasing that performance even more.
That wraps up our newscast for today. Be sure to stop by and see us in our booth for a chance to win a unique wine caddy.
Thanks for watching, and look to USGNN for more show coverage.